Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out in Arizona, and this spot here, this is where I rode before, but there's been a fire here. I mean, it has burnt. Don't know if it was a control burn from the Forest Service or if it was a wildfire got out or what, but definitely been fire here. I mean, it burnt pretty good. How much burnt, but burnt quite a bit. I'm on the CT125, Trail 125. Out by myself today, checking out some trails that I've been on. Did not know this is burnt, so I thought I'd come down through here and check it out. It's been a couple weeks ago or a few weeks ago, I noticed a lot of smoke in the air, and I would say this is probably why. Because of this fire right here. Pretty good size because I started seeing it on the road before I got over here this far. I mean, I've seen it for a couple miles probably. It burnt quite a bit. I don't know if they do control burns here like they do in the Ozarks. That's what I like about this Trail 125. You can kind of just leisurely just putt around. No big deal. No hurry. Just go out and enjoy nature. It's awesome. And this thing is a lot of fun. It's so easy to ride. So forgiving. It's not like being on the 300L, and you're up so tall. And, this thing here, you put your feet right on the ground. So it's kind of hard to really fall over on this bike. I haven't yet. But like I say, it'd be hard to because you can just put your feet down. Hmm, there's no pond. I thought I'd been out here, but I ain't sure if I have because I don't remember that. I remember this fence right here and going out to that pond. You can kind of go through there, the walkway through there to that old pond. And I don't remember that. They got a solar panel hooked up there for something. Tank. They must have a pump. They put water in that tank. Kind of just go anywhere out through here on this little trail 125. The thing about it, you don't have to worry about power is going to get you in trouble because you won't get in trouble because of power on this little booger. It ain't got no power, but that's not the point of this bike. Power is not it's not what you're after when you buy one of these. Miles of smiles, that's what this thing is. It's a lot of fun. Oh, they burnt that cactus. They burnt all the stickers off of it. You can kind of just take this thing around anywhere so easy, and I don't go fast on it. I mean, it's not about going fast. For one thing, if you go fast on this little Trail 125, it's just rough riding. It's not like smooth, not near as smooth as the 300L. It's got just a little bit of suspension, which I guess that's all you need. You're not going to be jumping ditches or doing wheelies, and I wouldn't think. It burnt. That mountain up there. Be nice if there's a trail up there. There's trails up in there around it, but not up it, of course. Or not from this side anyway. But I don't know all of them out here. There's so many trails out here that I've explored and never found all the trails, because like this one, I thought I'd been on this one. I was wrong, because I definitely don't remember that little pond with that gate zigzag through there. So I thought I'd been on this one and hadn't. I run into that once in a while. So I got everything on here. Got me some spare fuel up here in this Nelson Rigg fuel bottle holder. Got a 30-ounce MSR bottle in it, and I can carry spare fuel. Even though this thing gets like 100 and something miles a gallon, you know, it only holds 1.4 gallon. It took me an hour out through here to get out here, so from our property, which is on dirt anyway, so it kind of just go back roads all the way, which is cool. Go back out and find another spot maybe and see what else we can get into. Who knows? Thought I'd take you guys on this little adventure today. I'll make some more videos too. We're back out to the road. So thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Stay tuned. More videos on the way. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Check out my Amazon store for all the CT stuff. And if you want to go to Nelson Rigg because you want any gear for your motorcycle, any of their gear, I mean, I'm telling you, anything on their website, 25% off if you use code Woodzman, WOODZMAN. Save 25%. And that's a pretty good savings. A lot of people, they'll go there and they comment to me and say, hey, I saved this much money. Check this out. I've saved 60 bucks. Or I've saved $122 on my order. I saved 50, somebody said 50 something dollars here a while back they saved. I get a lot of people commenting on how much they saved, but 25%, that's a pretty good deal. Plus, any of your orders that's over 50 bucks, it's free shipping, so you can't beat it. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up and subscribe down below, as I said. We'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.